Dear students, in this topic, we shall discuss adrenal glands. Mammals have two adrenal glands. These glands are attached to the upper end of each kidney. The adrenal glands are in fact dual glands. Each gland has two glands in each as an outer layer and an inner layer. The outer layer is known as the adrenal cortex, whereas the inner central portion is known as adrenal medulla. These two portions of adrenals have different cell types, different functions, and different embryonic origins. The cells of adrenal cortex are true endocrine cells. They are derived from non-neural mesodermal tissue. The cells of medulla are derived from epidermal neural tissue during embryonic development. So, both tissues are embryologically different. These medullary cells are functionally related to the sympathetic nervous system. Thus, like pituitary gland, each adrenal gland is a fused gland with endocrine and neuroendocrine glands. Dear students, now we shall discuss the hormones of adrenal cortex. Adrenal cortex produces two major classes of steroid hormones. One are called the glucocorticoids and the others are known as mineralocorticoids. Collectively, these two classes are called corticosteroids. These corticosteroids are involved in iron and glucose regulation in blood. They are also involved in anti-inflammatory reactions. Dear students, एड्रीनल कॉर्टेक्स इन दो तरह के स्टीरॉयड हार्मोन्स के अलावा एक तीसरा ग्रुप स्टीरॉयड हार्मोन्स का भी प्रोड्यूस करता है, जो कि स्टीरॉयड सेक्स हार्मोन्स हैं. इसमें एंड्रोजन्स, एस्ट्रोजन्स और प्रोजेस्ट्रॉन आते हैं. इन हार्मोन्स का जो मेन सोर्स है बॉडी में वो तो गोनेड्स हैं, लेकिन एड्रीनल कॉर्टेक्स से भी इनकी स्मॉल अमाउंट प्रोड्यूस होती है. और यहां से प्रोड्यूस होने वाले सेक्स हार्मोन्स तकरीबन सिमिलर इफेक्ट्स रखते हैं लाइक द गोनेडल हार्मोन्स. Dear students, now we shall discuss the hormones produced by adrenal medulla. The adrenal medulla synthesizes and secretes catecholamines, that is epinephrine and norepinephrine. These hormones are secreted under nervous control and they are released through visceral motor stimulation. Dear students, एड्रीनल मेडुला के सेल्स को क्रोमाफिन सेल्स कहा जाता है, जो कि कैटेकोलामाइंस प्रोड्यूस करते हैं. इन्हें क्रोमाफिन सेल्स इसलिए कहा जाता है कि ये एक डाई जिसे एक डाई के साथ स्टेन होते हैं जो कि क्रोमियम साल्ट रखता है. चूंकि ये क्रोमियम साल्ट से डाई होते हैं, दे आर कॉल्ड क्रोमाफिन cells. These cells are actually modified post-ganglionic sympathetic neurons. Chromaffin cells produce norepinephrine and epinephrine. Those cells which produce norepinephrine have dark staining irregular granules. And those chromaffin cells which produce epinephrine have light staining spherical granules.